Midnight Run, rated R. Now playing at theaters everywhere.
Hotel accommodations for some guests of this program were furnished by the Omni Berkshire Place Hotel, Manhattan's green and civilized oasis, in exchange for this announcement. For reservations, call 1-800-THE-OMNI.
We're out of time. Gee, it's nice to see you, and good luck with the book, and good luck with the show and everything.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for being here. And, I'm sorry to Coco Taylor. I wasted too much time here, and we'll have her back as soon as we possibly can. Tomorrow on the program, Martin Mull, Brian Wilson, and Kid Inventors. Good night, everybody. We're out of time. Gee, it's nice to see you, and good luck with the book, and good luck with the show and everything.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for being here. And, I'm sorry to Coco Taylor. I wasted too much time here, and we'll have her back as soon as we possibly can.
Join Dave tomorrow on an all-new Late Night.
Good night, everybody.
Or call the State Office of Juvenile Services.
Hotel accommodations for most guests of Late Night with David Letterman, furnished by the Berkshire Place and Omni Classic Hotel in exchange for this announcement. For reservations at Omni Hotels in the U.S. and Europe, call toll-free 800-THE-OMNI.
Yeah, okay. That's it for us tonight. Tom is going to play us off the air. I want to thank everybody who was here tonight. Of course, our wonderful studio audience, Mary Tyler Moore, Bill and Paul and the band. Of course, Sid McGinnis, Will Lee, Charlie Drayton, and David Sanborn again. Thank you, gentlemen. Tom, let me ask you a question. Tom, can you hear this?
Yeah, I hear it.
Does that put you in the mind of fairies?
Yeah, it has the kind of Disney.
Yeah, okay. Monday on this program, and I'm still not sure this is our show, Billy Crystal will be here and Gene Hackman. And now, folks, playing from the album Tom Waits' Rain Dogs, we're going to hear Time, right, Tom?
Okay, we'll try that one.
Okay. Have a nice weekend. Good night.
What can I do?
That's it for us tonight. Tom is going to play us off the air. I want to thank everybody who was here tonight. Of course, our wonderful studio audience, Mary Tyler Moore, Bill and Paul and the band. Of course, Sid McGinnis, Will Lee, Charlie Drayton, and David Sanborn again. Thank you, gentlemen. Tom, let me ask you a question. Tom, can you hear this?
Yeah, I hear it.
Does that put you in the mind of fairies?
Yeah, it has the kind of Disney.
Yeah, okay.
Join Dave Monday night with Alan King, Marv Albert, and Michelle Schacht.
Now, folks, playing from the album Tom Waits' Rain Dogs, we're going to hear Time, right, Tom?
Okay, we'll try that one.
Okay. Have a nice weekend. Good night. We'll be right back with Boston Celtics star Tom Heinsohn.
you. Hi there and hello. Hello and hi, and welcome back to the show.